As a small channel, if YouTube itself is not recommending your videos, that means you are leaving a lot of views on the table, and it is your fault, because you need YouTube recommendation for your videos to get a wider audience, for you to be able to get that visibility, to get more subscribers, get more watch hours, and definitely get monetized. Okay, so this recommendation is very, very important. Now, I know a lot of people were able to find my channel because of YouTube recommendation. YouTube pushed my videos to a whole lot of people because of this one settings that I turned on. So if YouTube is not recommending your videos, then that means you may have tampered with these settings, or you've not even activated these settings at all. Now, when I started this channel, I didn't turn these settings on because I didn't know about it. But the moment I was able to find out these settings and I activated it on my YouTube channel, I was able to see a lot of difference, and you can also see the difference on my channel. Okay, so if YouTube is not recommending your videos, you're not getting views, you're not getting recommended, then this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to be showing you a full detailed tutorial on how you can activate these settings on your YouTube studio. I know a lot of us have heard about turn these settings on, turn these settings off, but trust me, you've not heard about this, and that is what I'm about to show you in this video. So do well to watch this video from beginning to the end. Okay, it is just one settings I want to show you, and trust me, after implementing this, you're definitely going to see result on your channel, and then YouTube will start recommending your videos from now on. And without much being said, let me take you straight into the main video. So the first thing you need to do is to come to your Chrome browser or Safari, and you type studio.youtube.com. Now when you type it, you're going to see this interface. Just click on continue to studio, and this is going to take you to your YouTube desktop version, because this is the only place you can actually turn these settings on. Now once you log into your YouTube studio, the desktop version, you're definitely going to see an interface like this. This is how it looks, where you're going to see your channel dashboard and everything concerning your channel. Now you can see these icons at the left hand side. You're just going to click on this place. Okay, you click on customization. Now once you click on customization, you're going to see this interface, channel customization, where you're going to see profile, home tab, where you get to see your banner image, your pictures, the name of your channel, handle, description of your channel, links, and the likes. But this is not where we're going. You're going to click on home tab. What we want to do is on the home tab. So now once you click on the home tab, you're going to see something like this. Show your channel home tab to highlight and showcase content to your audience. Now if you've never done this before on your channel, you're definitely going to see it like this. I had to delete mine so that I could show you how to do it from scratch, in case you've never turned these settings on before. Now once you see this, you're going to see that at the bottom we have layout. Customize the layout of your channel homepage up to 12 sessions. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to click on this thing and toggle it on. Okay, so once you toggle it on, you're going to see that you'll be able to click on the layout and other things. Now what we want to do is that we want YouTube to recommend our videos, right? So you click on add session. Now once you click on add session, click on for you. Now once you click on for you can see this interface that it brought. YouTube recommends fresh content based on your viewers' interest. This is only visible to your viewers when you have enough data. That means you need to have videos on your channel. So if you've not been making videos, you need to start making videos for these settings to actually work for you. So if you have enough videos on your channel, just click on more settings. Okay, now once you click on more settings, you're going to see this, what to include in for you section. The for you section will be visible to your viewers when you have enough content, just like it said initially. Okay, so these are the contents that will be visible. If you upload videos to be visible to your audience, you upload more shorts, it will also be visible to your audience, same as live stream. Now this is another thing, in case you've actually done this before, and for the recency you clicked on recent content only, which means it can only recommend your content which you've posted in the past 12 months. Okay, but the best which is recommended, you can see recommended in brackets, is for you to choose all content. This is when YouTube always updates the for you section with fresh content. Okay, so whichever new videos you upload on your channel, YouTube is definitely going to recommend it to people. That is if you click on the first one. Okay, so if yours is on recent content only, come back and choose all content. Now you're going to click on done. Now once you click on done, you come back to this add session. Okay, now the first thing you need to do is to click on channel trailer. Now this channel trailer is very important for small channels, okay, because this is really going to help your channel. What this channel trailer does is that whenever you have a new subscriber, or probably someone scrolling to your channel for the first time, this is the first video they are going to see on your channel. Okay, so once you click on that channel trailer, you're going to see choose a specific video. Okay, so this is the video, whoever comes to your channel, this is the video they are going to first of all see, and it is best you choose your best performing videos. Okay, so if you have videos that is currently performing so well or going viral on your channel, that is the best video for you to click. So I'm just going to look for a video that, you know, did really well in my channel. Let me see which. Okay, I think let me click on this particular one currently going viral. Okay, so channel trailer are for people who haven't subscribed to your channel. Okay, so whether have not subscribed to your channel or coming to your channel for the first time, this is the first video they are going to see whenever they click on your channel. Okay, so this is highly recommended. Make sure you have a channel trailer. Okay, so now the next thing we need to do is to go back to add session, then you come back to spotlight for returning subscribers. So once you click on it, it's also going to tell you to click on specific videos that you want your returning subscribers, that means those that have subscribed to your channel, whenever they just want to come back to your channel to see, okay, what do you have on your channel, this is the first video they are going to see. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this one so that it is actually going to be the first video that my returning subscribers are going to see on my channel. Okay, this is very important. See, this method really helps because it is going to, you know, enable YouTube to know which particular video to recommend to more people. And that is why I say it is best you go with the video that is performing extremely very well currently on your channel. And the sweet part about this thing is that you can easily come back to change this. Now let's assume after making this particular video your channel trailer, and then the video stopped getting a lot of views or it stopped going viral, and you have a new video that is currently going viral, you can just come back to this place, click on these three dots that you see here, then you can change the video or remove the video. Okay, so if you click on change the video, you can just pick a new video that is currently doing well on your channel. So that would be the first video we are going to see on your channel. Now let's go to add session again, then you click on videos. Okay, there are a lot of them here. You can actually click on videos, you can click on popular videos, collaboration, past live stream, playlist. Do you understand? So I'm just going to click on my videos so that whoever comes to my channel, this is the layout they are going to see. Okay, so and this really works. In fact, when I tried this, I wanted to make sure that I tried this to see the results before making the full video. I'm sure a lot of you came across my video through the video which is most recommended on my channel, which is how I got 1,000 subscribers in 2 days. This is exactly what I did, and YouTube has been recommending that video ever since I made that particular video. Okay, so this is very crucial. So now let's click on popular videos. Okay, so I'm just going to add one more session. Let me add a playlist. Okay, now if you come to this place, you're going to see single playlist and created playlist. If you've created a playlist before, just click on created playlist. So once you click on it, all the playlists you've created on your channel is going to show like this. And the sweetest part of this is that whoever comes to your playlist and watch one of your videos, the next one is definitely going to start playing automatically, which means more watch hours for you. So if you're looking for watch hours, this is very good for you, because the more YouTube recommend your video, the more people watch your videos, the more watch hours you get. And lastly, before you publish, make sure you still come back to these settings where you see for you. YouTube recommends fresh content based on your viewers' interest. Okay, and click on more settings to make sure that you tick on this first one, which is all content. Okay, because if you click on recent content only, it won't be able to recommend your past videos. Imagine that you had a video that went viral that you've made over a year, 2 years ago. That is when you're going to see that YouTube keeps recommending a lot of videos that have been created 3 years, 4 years, 5 years ago. Until now, YouTube is still recommending those videos to you. Okay, so this is where you need to tick. Now after you've done this, that means you've given YouTube the access to know which videos to push to people, to know which videos to recommend more to people. Okay, so once you're done, just make sure you click on publish. do not forget to click on publish, because if you don't click on publish, all these settings, once you leave this place, it is going to go back to default, which is all these settings you've done will not be there. Okay, so you need to make sure that you click on publish. Now you can see changes publish. You can go back to your channel to see. After you've done this, just make sure that you keep creating content for YouTube to be recommended to people, because if you don't create content, if you don't create more videos for YouTube to recommend, how will YouTube recommend your videos to people? Okay, so once you've done with these settings, make sure you have nice and valuable videos on your channel, and with these settings, YouTube will start recommending your videos from now on. So if you find this video very helpful, do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and lastly, don't forget to drop me your comments if you're going to try this, or if you've tried this before on your channel, and let me know the results. All right guys, I'm going to be in the comment section, and I'll also see you in my next video. Bye.